Today, big breaking news. A special Naka checking was set up by Borpatar Police Station along with CRPF. Borpatar Police stopped a car around 9:30 a.m. today at Borneria Tiniali under Borpatar Police Station. Two persons carrying heroin in a SUV vehicle bearing registration number AR028001. A male person driving the car along with female as a co-pilot. Biki Biswakarma, age 32, son of Budhiman Biswakarma, address Sila Butter, Dhimaji. Rina Biswas, daughter of Sunil Biswas, address Lokhara Bandha, Nagong. 6 soft boxes were recovered from the vehicle and total of 67.58 grams. Future investigation is going on by Borpatar Police. Keep watching Karbi Anglong Times for more updates.
Heroin.
मुख राखून मुख रखा
अल्लाह नहीं करना चलो चलिए आप चलिए
चेहरा तो भाल देखी पाबू लगे विश्वकर्मा लिखी से तो विश्वास जिंदाबाद আপোনালোকে কোন পাছলৈ যাওকচোন মানুহক না কাগজ এখন মানুহৰ নাম বুলি ইয়াত দিব লাগিছে